Okay, today I'm super excited because guess what? I have this giant surprise SpongeBob. Yay! He's so big and he's like a piñata. He's so awesome. So he is full with surprises and I don't know what's inside because my parents filled it with a lot of cool things. So let's get started. So I'm going to cut that part. Cool. I'm going to set him down. So let's see what we have in here. Cool, so we have this Avengers Age of Ultron Mystery Minis. Okay, so let's open it. And guess what? I got some new scissors. So let's open it. So it's opening. I'm so excited. Comment down below if you watched the movie. Cool, so it comes in a black bag. We got Iron Man. He's super cool. So I guess he's flying right now and he's a bobblehead. It has a spring. Cool. Let's see what else is inside. Cool, we got this Disney Figural Keyring Series 2 from Disney. Blind bag. Cool, so let's open it. We got Sally. She's so pretty. So let's see what else is inside. We got a My Little Pony blind bag. And this one is the Cutie Mark Magic series. Let's open it. Who do we got? We got Sweetie Swirl. She's so pretty. I love her. And her card says, loves to dress up. Let's see what else is inside. So excited. Cool, we got a Captain America chocolate surprise egg. Cool, so let's open it. So let's open it up and see who we get. So we got Captain America. It seems like in all of these you just get Captain America. Okay, so let's put him together. Okay, so let's put him on. Then let's put in his shield. Now let's put on his other arm. This is how he looks like. Cool. Let's get another surprise. Ooh, this one's big. We got this Penguins from Madagascar surprise egg, and it's big. Cool, so let's open it. Take the wrapper off. So let's open it. Got it. Okay. Cool, so it comes with the backpack chain. Let's get this out. Cool. You can hang this on your backpack or on your purse. And then we We got 5 packs of these chewy lemon heads. I love these. Yummy. And then we got 8 packs of chewy lemon head in a little package. Woo. And then to go with all of those candies, we got stickers. Cool. Let's see what else we get. Cool, so we got some Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles. And the last time we opened these, we got April. So let's see if we get a different one. Ooh, we got Donatello. Hiya! I love the color purple, so I love this turtle. He's so cute. Okay, on to our next surprise. Yay! Ooh. Oh, we got another one of these big surprise eggs of the movie Home. Okay, so let's see who we get. Ooh, we got the red one. I forgot his name. He's so cute. So this is another character from the movie Home. Cool. We're getting a lot of cool surprises. Let's see what else is in the big SpongeBob. Cool, we got this Cutie Mark Magic My Little Pony Rarity. Cool, so let's open it. We opened another one of these and we got Pinkie Pie. Okay. So here's our rarity. So let's put her upside down. Let everything come up. Ta-da. Now you kind of shake it. That looks so cool. And you can brush her hair and decorate it. Okay, let's see what else. We have a couple more surprises in here. We have Hello Kitty Serious One blind bag. Let's open it. I hope we get the cheerleader because she is cute. I got the Hello Kitty with the flute. She's cute. Okay, let's open another surprise. Whoa. We got a Disney Frozen Surprise Chocolate Egg. Let's open it up. Whoop. Let's open it up. Ooh. Okay, so we got an Elsa. She's so pretty. Okay, so let's see what else is in there. Yay, I'm so excited. We have one more thing after this. So we got a SpongeBob movie, Sponge Out of Water Series 2 Mega Bloks blind bag. Okay, so let's see who we get. Ooh, I hope we get SpongeBob. We got Mr. Krabs. Let's put him together. Like that. Okay, so time for our last surprise. Let's see what we have. On to our last surprise. I'm so excited. So I'm gonna touch it and see if I can guess. Is this Shopkins? Shopkins, wow! It's been a long time. Let's open it. Yay. Whoop. We got Shopkins. So excited. Okay. Hopefully we get some new things today. Oh, we got Wendy Wedgie. At least she's a shoe. Let's open our last one. Oh, we got Brenda Blender. She's so cute. Okay, so let me check if there's anything else, which I doubt it. Nope. Okay, so we got a lot of cool surprises, and here are all of them. So all of these surprises look so small, but the big giant SpongeBob, he's so awesome, and I think I'm going to do some more videos with him and some other cool characters. And yeah, I had lots of fun and we opened a lot of cool surprises. My favorite, okay, I have a lot of favorite. So my favorite was Iron Man, the Teenage Mutant Turtle, and also Mr. Krabs. So those were my favorite, and comment down below which ones were your favorite. And don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, share, and I'll see you in the next video, guys. Bye!